I was a backseat driver, scared to steer my plane. Like a state speech champ, too afraid to speak. I didn't know who I was or where to be. And it went on and it went on.
Bloody day, stuck in a traffic jam, swamped on a busy street. Now it's feeling like a clam. Already on the edge, just a timber on the rise. The driver's not with me, and say, oh, life could be so simple, but taking the day away. Making time for some loving, put your son on replay. I'm watching an old time movie, follow the clouds go by. Days up and down, they come and go, and there's not much I can do. And I feel like a stranger to this world. It's never been so true. don't know anymore. Where is my place? Hey, hey. So I keep turning around, longing for better days. I always followed the music, I always followed the sound. And most of the time it leads me in places I really like. But now everybody around here is only in for my money. Oh, so I keep turning around, building castles in the haze.
I was a bad